Well, welcome to the special project in this tutorial series, and I want to discuss why it's in here and what I hope it means to you as we get into it. The stylistic goal for this special project is to mimic an animation style made popular in the late 1940s, early 1950s by Disney, where there were very detailed hand-painted backgrounds and then you had a stylized animation going on in front of it. So it created kind of a cool, dynamic type of style going on. We're kind of ramping that up a little bit simply because we can. So the first thing we'll do is look at how we're going to design the background, starting with sketches. No one animation is isolated to a 20-second point in time. It's usually part of a bigger type of thing, and so we have to plan for the future of that so you don't drive yourself nuts later on when you're telling your own stories with Anime Studio Pro. This is done in Photoshop with a little help from a 3D program. I talk about why I bring it in layers. You could draw this exact same background inside of Anime Studio Pro and stylize it there too. It would be a different look, but it might be a cogent look for the style that's coming in with the characters we build. So what we're going to do is after that's done, we'll go ahead and do some sketches, talk about how we're going to do character design. We talk about how we build and rig the characters, special effects and masking tricks to hide parts, make them reusable throughout an extended animation. We're going to be doing cyclical animations, having our character play with money. We're going to have kind of a mangy looking, very stylized cat come into the scene, look around and move. We've got things like glow on the window and a glow outside the window, indicating that there's neon lights to assist in the storytelling. We're going to have a flickering glow to the left of the character that's kind of blue because there's going to be a television off screen that you could add audio to so you hear news stories about a bank robber or something like that. And then finally, we're going to have a character appear on the roof across the street. And we'll pull off some tricks to go ahead and create some depth of field to make that work. There's several ways to do that in Anime Studio Pro, and I talk about why I chose the reason I did. So there are many things that are exciting in here. If you're new to animation, if you're experienced with animation, it'll be a great way to see how you can integrate some of the capabilities of Anime Studio Pro into work that you're doing.